Hey you guys, it's me Dolly, back at it again with another video. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you are subscribed and you click that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So I wanted to show you guys how I went from this to this. This is a wig that I got from Amazon. I will try to link it down below, as well as this pretty dress. I got this from Amazon as well, so I'll put that in the description. But this was $100 and I've had this since April and I actually like really love it. It's really nice and beautiful. My hair has grown tremendously over this past year and a half. My hair has been growing tremendously. I had some biotin while I was pregnant and I don't know why, but that really worked out for me in my first pregnancy. But the second one, I just was taking care of my hair more as far as using more products and things like that, and just learning about my hair. So I'm very excited to show you guys what I do for my hair right now and some of the products that I used. So I'll show you guys exactly what I do, my routine, all that stuff. I'm gonna do a little voiceover, then I'll come back at the end and I'll show you guys all of the products that I use, as well as I'll have them linked down below. Hey, so right here I am taking out my braids from some time, not some time like that. It's probably been like a week and a half, but I haven't been wrapping my hair up and stuff. I've been doing the most. So today I'm actually gonna take my time and really do my hair. So I'm also getting ready to do a pre-shampoo, and it's best to do a shampooing like this when your hair is dry. So I'll be using the Garnier Whole Blends Maple Remedy, along with the Silk Elements Pure Oils. Mixing these two together to make my pre-poo. I got this detangling brush along with a set of others on Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. And my scarf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be brushing out my hair. And so basically what I'm doing, like stated before, is putting the pre-poo on my hair dry. I'm going to be leaving it in my hair with it wrapped up in the silk bonnet for, I believe that's a bonnet, silk bonnet, for about an hour and a half. And I just did some extra stuff, recorded for my weekly vlog, things like that. Yeah, so let's wash. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm like so happy because my hair is amazing. And don't worry, I know I'm talking, but I will say all of the products and things towards the end of this voiceover. But I am just really happy with the way that my hair looks in this clip. I'm not even gonna lie. And you know, it's okay to hype yourself up. But anyway, I love this Carol's Daughter line. I need to get some more of this stuff. Please do make sure you stay tuned towards the end of the video because I will be doing a full breakdown about where I got these things, reading the descriptions, things like that, so that you all will be fully aware of all the products that are used in this video. So I'm out of the shower now, and now I'm just going to go ahead and condition my hair with some leave-in conditioner by Lotta Body, as well as they have a really, really good moisturizing cream that I'm going to be using in my hair as well. So what I'm doing with this basically is getting my hair prepped and ready for me to put braids in it so that my braids can look nice and flat, be moisturized. And I think that's very important when you have a wig on, is making sure that the hair underneath it stays moisturized and oiled, things like that. So I've definitely been making sure I do that in between wearing my wigs. After applying all of these various products to the conditioning process of my hair, I'm going to be parting it so that I can braid it up for my wig. So right here, I'm just sectioning off the middle part of my hair, making it into like a cute triangle type of thing. I'm going to be using a U-part wig, and I prefer these over other wigs because it's just so much more easier for me, and my hair I feel is nice and long enough for me to be able to blend it properly. I also don't know how to like French braid that well, and especially not on myself. So I just do like a simple braid pattern, just braids straight up and then just wrap them around the back and make sure that they're in a position to where the clips on my wig can actually fit. So I was watching Are You the One? Have you guys seen that show? I watched it on Hulu and it is really good. I was like, what is going on? I don't understand. I don't understand how they got 11. I'm sorry if I spoiled it for you if you've never seen it. I'm not gonna tell you what that but I didn't understand. Like, no, there's no way. This whole house has been discombobulated the entire time. Okay, Ethan didn't get no play. He should have got Jada, the black girl. I don't understand. Anyway, so yeah, you saw me put my wig on. That's my wig. Sorry. But yeah, so now I'm just taking these out and I'm going to be straightening it off camera after it dries up a little bit. But I'm going to come to you guys and I'm going to let you know all of the products that I've been using. And I hope that you enjoyed this little voiceover. Bye-bye. Hey you guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Well, I just wanted to come to you guys and show you some of the products that I was using, and I'll have them all linked down below. I just wanted to like actually show you, talk to you about them. A lot of these products I got from Sally Beauty Supply store, and I went just on their sales section and I just kind of went crazy, wanted to try it, different things like that. So as you guys saw with the pre-poo, I got this from Family Dollar actually, and it was like $4 or $4.25. And it's the Garnier Whole Blends Restoring Conditioner, Maple Remedy with castor oil and maple extracts. I really like this as far as the smell, the texture. This conditioner, I don't have any other conditioner like this where it's really thick. The other ones are, I still feel like the water in it, because water is usually the #1 ingredient, so I still feel it in it. But this right here, water is the first ingredient, but I just feel like this is really thick. Maybe it's the maple in it, but it kind of makes me want to like find a mask for my hair that's like honey or maple infused. That'd be really good. So the oil that I used along with that is the Pure Oils by Silk Elements. It's a natural oil blend, and it has sweet almond, amla, grapeseed, boba, sorry, and shea oils. So this I actually, as you guys saw in the video, I put this on my hair with the conditioner, and just in case these did not pop up properly, this is my pre-poo combo right here. And this was like $2.19 or like $1.79, so I actually got 2 of them. And if you guys would like for me to do a hair care products like video to show you guys all my hair products, I can definitely do that, because I've been using everything that I've gotten from Sally's, and it's like I've just found a whole new routine for my life and my hair. Just by trying things out, you really see what can work for you, and you're not just focused on the things that you hear about. Sometimes you really have to just go out there and just find stuff and just do it. You don't go on YouTube sometimes. Just think for a second. Think about your hair, think about what you know, and then just go do it. So I'm very glad with my purchases from Sally. So in the shower when I'm washing my hair, I've actually been going through a couple different shampoos and conditioners, because like I said with the Whole Blends one, I really like that it has the maple in it, and I think that something inside of it is making it like really thick how I really want it. Right now, this is what I have. So these right here I actually got from Amazon, and I do have an Amazon store, so I'll link all the stuff down below. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it down below. This right here is Carol's Daughter, the Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair. Got the sulfate-free shampoo. And I have the Restoring Conditioner, and this is for extremely damaged and overprocessed hair. This has almond milk, aloe butter, and shea oil. This stuff smells so good. When I say so good, these smell absolutely amazing, and I just like, I can't get enough of this. I really, honestly really like Carol's Daughter, and I do want to try out more of her stuff. If you guys have ever tried this out, let me know what else I should try out. As far as like hair texture, I don't know. You guys saw the video. If you can let me know, give me an idea. I'm not natural or anything like that. I have not had a perm in a year. Ooh, I feel like even longer than that. but I have no like real intention to go now. I'm trying to be healthy with it. I'm trying to do different things, but the length and stuff it's gotten to now after having 2 pregnancies back to back, my hair is like amazing for me, and it's never been like this in my life. So I'm trying to try different things, and I can definitely say that this Carol Daughter, this right here is a hit for me. The last couple of products that I used, I believe, were at the end of the video when I got out of the shower to just get my hair moisturized and nice for my braids. For this here, I usually prefer to put this on the ends of my tips, right? So that I don't get breakage on my ends. And I believe it's working for me because I really have not had any breakage. This is what it looks like. So clearly I've got to speed this up because my daughter is not playing any games with me. Okay, my other daughter is knocked out. So I was trying to get this finished, but expectations, go watch my other video. Last but not least, Lotta Body. When I was younger, I used to use Lotta Body all the time. Okay, I don't know why, because I low-key like not wore a lot of weaves back then, but I kind of did. So I don't really know what. Oh, I used to tease my hair a lot back in the day. I know it. Mommy was a scene kid. I know people don't know what that is these days. And they wonder why I'm weird. Because I used to do that with my hair. I don't know. I had a phase. So this Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils is called the Love Me 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. It detangles and conditions, prevents split ends, adds moisture and shine, heat protection, and tames frizz. It's for all hair types. And I really, like I said, I really like Lotta Body's line because it's just fully a line of people with a lot of hair. And or if you don't have a lot of hair, these products help you to create a lot of hair. I've had a lot of 1 bundles back in the day. You know, when I was unaware that you're supposed to put multiple bundles in. So, you know, sometimes I have my 1 bundles. And this is middle school, mind you. But I have my 1 bundles. And then sometimes, you know, I use my little stuff from Lotta Body. And it'll give you some body. So I understand why some girls use it because it gives you body. Okay, I'm one of those people. I used to, when I did realize that you get multiple bundles, oh, I was out here. I have 3 bundles, 4 bundles. I like fullness, and this was like, I still use this. I love Lotta Body so much. The Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk defines curls, tames frizz, adds moisture and brilliant shine. It's for all hair types as well. And I love this as well. So I used both of these on my hair as well to just give it some extra moisture, just to keep it nice and feeling good while it's underneath this style that I have in. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Like I said, I hope you guys actually try out some of these products, and if you do, please let me know what you try out and if you like it. If you have any suggestions, if you want to let me know what my hair type is so that I can move forward with my life, thank you, and let me know. Other than that, make sure you subscribe, your bell is on for your post notifications so you're aware every single time I upload a video, and like and share. Please share my videos. Please share my videos. We would like for me to get some more female audience because it's just not a thing around here. We need to make it a thing, okay? So I love you guys so much. Thank you, ladies, so much. Thank you, husbands, brothers, boyfriends, everybody, all the guys. Thank you guys for sending my videos to your girls. Love you guys so much.